I'm Autumn with Smart Parts, and this is our washable, reusable cabin air filter. This exciting new air filtration technology is truly a first of its kind. Equipped with a MERV 8 rating, our cabin air filter blocks any and all contaminants, all the way down to micron 1, which means it traps particle and biological contaminants such as ash, dirt, lint, dust, dust mites, and dust mite feces, insects, dander, soot, and pollen. It even helps to mitigate allergens and the effects of harmful auto emissions we all experience while in highly congested traffic areas. It also helps to combat viruses and bacteria. This is all accomplished through our Labyrinth technology. With a minimalist approach, we were able to utilize every piece of material within the design for filtration to achieve maximum efficiency and protection. Seemingly dense at first glance, you'd be surprised to learn our filter is not only easily manipulated for fitting purposes, but also makes it extremely resilient, thus prolonging service intervals and maintenance. We recommend service every 50,000 miles under normal highway use. Really, you can service it as often as you'd like. Which brings us to its most impressive quality. It can be serviced and used again and again for the lifetime of your vehicle because it's washable and reusable. Making our filter hydrophobic served multiple purposes. First, banishing the worry and cost of replacing your worn-out cotton filters by making ours washable. To service the filter, simply remove it and rinse under low to medium water pressure until it's visually clean. Because the filter is hydrophobic, the water acts as a carrier to remove any microcontaminants that may be trapped. Second, it eliminates mold, fungus, and mildew. Have you ever turned on your air console and that musty smell hits you? That is mold, fungus, or both. These contaminants over time build up on industry standard cotton filters when exposed to water or damp conditions. The good news is, we took care of that. Our filters do not retain any of the moisture they're exposed to, thus sparing you those pollutants and odors. With all this information, one concern may have crossed your mind. If this new technology can defeat all these issues, making the inside of my vehicle a cleaner, safer, more pleasant environment, it stands to reason it must impede my console's airflow in the process. The answer is no, it does not. In fact, you'll notice an increase in your airflow. While going to lengths designing this technology in air filtration, we never forgot. First and foremost, it's about bringing cleaner, safer air to the world at any cost. We did just that, while keeping the cost aligned with many of the industry standard disposable cabin air filters on the market today. Which would you choose? Smart Parts washable, reusable cabin air filters were conceived and are produced in the USA with a green mindset. It is the hope of our small business that this filter will shield its users while aspiring to put an end to the 100 million disposable cabin air filters that rest in our landfills every year. Together, we can propel smarter parts for a cleaner world. We look forward to you joining the family. Go green.